It's Debbie Kemp, and I want to welcome you to my website. I want to share with you today an awesome business opportunity. I want to talk about affiliate marketing. This check you see on the screen. In 2021, I was an affiliate, which means that I was an independent sales rep for a company called Real Spirit USA. I sold one of their alkaline water machines and I earned $200. So as an affiliate, once I sold that product, I earned the $200. So affiliate marketing basically is the skill and art of selling someone else's product. If you refer somebody to a company or a product and that person buys that product, then you will get a commission and your title would be an online affiliate marketer. I made these videos and I posted them on YouTube, and I guess that customer found me from these videos. So right now, I am an affiliate for a company called Global Domains International, better known as GDI. They have an awesome affiliate program that gives you the opportunity to make a substantial amount of money just by sharing the services and benefits to other people. Okay, the company has been in business since 1999. They offer internet related products like domain names, website hosting, and many other products for online and offline businesses. Okay, it has affiliates all over the world. The company, like I said, it presents an awesome, very lucrative, very easy home-based business that anybody can do. Okay, as an affiliate, you will get access to a site just like this. This how you will keep up with your referrals and your paychecks and stuff like that. And to be an affiliate, you must be at least 18 years old and you must supply the required tax documents, and they'll have to verify your identity and everything else. But the affiliate program itself, if you refer somebody to this company and they sign up, the company will compensate you for your efforts. And basically, they have a $10 package, and then they have a $40 package. And for the tip, but right now we're going to be dealing with the $10 package. Okay, with the $10 package, for everybody that you refer to this company, you will earn $1. I know it sounds like a little, but listen to what I'm saying. With the compensation structure, you get paid on your referrals and the referrals of your referrals 5 levels down. So that's the way it works. So the money will be paid. If I sign up somebody, then I will make money off of their referral and my upline will make money. So as soon as I start referring people to the company and those people start referring people, then I will be getting compensated for what I do and what they do. Okay. So it's like the beauty of it is that you're not just working by yourself. You're working and you're leveraging off the work of others. Okay. So you'll be making money from the work of others that come into the business after you. Those people will be your referrals and your referrals and your referrals. But we're talking about a $10 a business that you would have to pay $10 to run. And so basically, if you have a downline of 1,000 people, you will get paid $1,000 every month. If you have a downline of 10,000 people, you will get paid $10,000 every month. So what I've put together is what I call Operation Warp Speed to Financial Freedom. It's right there, Warp Speed to Financial Freedom. And I will show you a very easy peasy way to earn a 4 to 5 figure monthly income from the comfort of your home using your smartphone. My title, the Operation Warp Speed to Financial Freedom. Starting it off, your responsibility today would be to complete an enrollment with GDI. And how you will build your organization. You will only need to invite 5 people to the business to win. Because at this point, everybody is going to duplicate the same process. Every person is going to invite right now right now, for business sake and to get going, you're going to invite at least 5 people. And once you do that, I have a marketing system that I will give you that you can use these. You'll be able to use social media to market your business, and people will be replying to your business ads and stuff 24/7, and you'll be able to communicate with these people even while you sleep. I'll show you how to automate it. Okay. I will supply you with videos and chats and different things that you can use to talk to people. And so right now, when you sign up, you get a 7-day trial completely free. That way, if you sign up and decide that this is nothing that you want to be a part of, then your credit card would not be charged the $10 and you'll just be done with it. But if you stay in the business and decide that you want to really pursue the ideal of making $10,000 a month with a $10 online business, and you want to stay and you want to build a business, then on the 8th day, your credit card will be charged $10. So your online business earning you $10,000 a month, your only obligation is $10 a month. So to me, it's a no-brainer. All right. After you create your account and verify your email with GDI, you will receive a welcome email. And within that email, you will scroll down and you will see all of your referral links. Everybody that comes into GDI must be referred by somebody because you are building an organization. I hope that makes sense. Okay, Operation Warp Speed means fast. So in order for you to earn money quickly, during your 7-day trial, you will have access to your back office and everything, just as though you have already paid your $10 membership. Okay, so during your 7-day trial, you need to go and bring in 5 people to GDI. Just that simple. And if you do that the first week, if everybody does that, bring in 5 people doing your trial membership, your organization is going to just blow up so fast. It's going to blow up so fast. So this is meaning that these people will be your referrals, and you'll have your 5 people. And once you refer those 5 people, if you refer those 5 people and they don't cancel, for every block of 5 people that you refer, you will earn a $100 bonus. Okay, even if you refer those people doing your trial membership, on your paycheck, you will get a $100 bonus. And with GDI, the work week is defined as from 12 a.m. Monday through 11:55 p.m. Sunday. So if you refer 5 people during that time period, then you will earn a $100 bonus. And if you refer 3 blocks of 5 people in 1 week on top of your referral money, you will earn $100, which will come to an extra $300 on top of your referral, the money that you get for your referrals. I hope that makes sense. So this is your process to financial freedom. If everything processes week to week, then it could go faster or it could go slower. I'm not saying it basically would depend on your work ethics. So with the Operation Warp Speed, like I said, week 1, you're going to create your account and refer at least 5 people. You can do more, but you need to refer at least 5 people, because those 5, if you look at it from a weekly standpoint, those 5 people, they're going to be just getting started, and they're going to come in and duplicate what you just did. I hope it makes sense. Okay, when I signed up for my account, you're going to have to create a GDI username. With my name being Debbie K. Kemp, my username is DKK Kemp, and my domain name is my first name and last name .ws. Okay, and when you make your 5 referrals, your back office is going to look like this on your level 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only put 5 people on your level 1, because put only 5 people on your level 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is that when you refer somebody to the business, okay, they're going to pay their $10 membership. $5 will go to the company, $1 will go to you, and the other $4 is going to trickle up to the upline. These people came in before me, and I was referred by Robert. So when you pay your membership every month, the money you'll the people on your level 1 is going to pay you $1, and then the other money is going to trickle up to your upline. And the same thing is going to happen when you refer people and when your people refer people. So that's how the due to the process of duplication, that's what makes this business opportunity so easy. And when you're talking about a $10 monthly membership that you can pay, that could have the possibility of earning you a 5-figure income every month. So that's why I was saying, put just 5 people on your front line. And so once I get back over here on this side. So once you do your refer your 5 people, and the weeks are gonna progress. After the first week, you're gonna refer your 5 people, and that will be work week 1. And then the second work week, if those 5 people get busy like you and refer 5 people, your money is going to be already adding up. So out of the paycheck that you'll get on the 15th, you would have accumulated $105 yourself. But if the people that you referred get busy and start referring people over a 30-day period, you could conceivably be at, I mean, who knows how much money you can accumulate in 1 month. And out of that paycheck, the only work that you did was refer 5 people. You referred 5, and those 5 that you referred went out and got their 5. So the first paycheck, if everybody get in and go to work, you got to put in the work. There's no telling how much money you will be able to make in the first month, because the work week is Sunday to Monday, but you will get a paycheck according to the amount of referrals that you recruit over 30 days. So this could be something this to me, this is big. I mean, this is just really big. Even as I'm recording this video, my husband informed me that Trump's big, beautiful bill was passed. And so with all the cuts that they have coming down for middle class working people, it's time for you to get busy. You need to at least invest in this $10 a membership program. Try it for 90 days. Try it for 90 days and see how this pan out for you and your family. And like I said, you will be on your level 1. You will have your 5 people. And if level 1 get busy, you'll have 25 people. Level 3 get busy, you'll have 125 people. Level 4 get busy, your level 3, then you have 625 people. I know it sounds like a lot, but like what I'm saying, you have billions of people on social media. Everybody got a cell phone. Your level 5, 3,125 people. And all these people added together will equal 3,905 people, and you'll be getting $1 from each one of these people. Each one of these people. And after 5 levels down, that comes to $3,905 a month. And you only had to bring in 5 people. I'm telling you, there's nothing else like it on the internet. Y'all need to join us. Get back with the person who shared this video with you, and tell them you want a link so you can get started. Do this for your family. Do this for your children. Do this for your elderly parents. They may get their Medicaid benefits cut, Medicare benefits cut. Do this for your neighbor. Your neighbor may need some financial assistance. This is easy money. Don't let this money get by you. Sign up today and let's go.